Hello everyone, welcome back to Bad Boats. This is Ron. I have been putting many videos up in this past week because I've actually been on vacation. Not too much video, but a lot of fun. But anyway, I'm bringing you a new video today and I hope you guys enjoy it. You know what? When you're working on a boat, there's two things some people should always do. First is never work on a boat. Second is you should always have a fire extinguisher available. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video and see what's going on.
Fire! My fire extinguisher! One fast. All over the place.
It's spreading a little bit. It went out.
This one doesn't fire. Get the motor. See it? Oh, it's scary. Oh, go! Yep. That's gonna keep igniting. Not yet. We need water. Okay. More fire extinguishers.
Don't use water. If it's a fuel fire, you don't want to use water, it'll spread.
Chemical fire. Hurry up. Alright. See it? Hold the water.
Now what he just did is he washed away the
Right here.
fire suppressant material.
Okay, water off.
Anyway, guys, what do you think about that? Do you think he did a good job? Like I say, some people shouldn't be messing around with gas and fire. It's just a mixture for a bad experience. But these guys here, you know, they should have had the fire extinguishers a little bit closer. The next thing is, when you're putting on a agent to suppress a fire, you never just go at the top. You go at the base, it knocks the flame down. Now the other guy he had the water hose, he was actually washing away the agent. And when you put water on a flammable substance like gasoline or oil, what happens is there's always a chance what they call flashback, and that's what you saw, a little flashback. So the water pushed it away, suppressed it a little bit, then when the water washed away, it pushed back. So that was the flashback. But anyway, guys, leave your remarks in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.